Are you tired of being the one in the driver's seat of your relationship? You are the one texting first, planning the days, and asking your friends, or even your cat, why he doesn't seem to care as much as you do. If the relationship feels like your project, then you already lost the lead. Today, I'm teaching you how to make him taste you by deploying a little thing called Black Cat Energy. Wait until the very end. Welcome back to Classy Muse. I'm Nhi, and I have hired two wing women step out of their rehearsal and into their magnetic flow. Hit that surprise button and the bell if you're ready to be worshipped, not just tolerated. The dynamic is simple. In every relationship, there is a black cat and a golden retriever. The golden retriever is the one who chases, adores, and provides. The black cat is the one who is won over. Biologically, the masculine wants to achieve and win. If you are the golden retriever constantly trying to please him, he feels like he hasn't won the race. To learn how to make him chase you, you must become the enigma. The biggest thing that kills the chase, even if you've been married for 16 years, is mothering. Do you ask him if he took his vitamins? Do you remind him to set his alarms? Stop! That is forward moving, instructional masculine energy. When you mother a man, you turn him into a pampered poodle, and suddenly he becomes the black cat because he is the one being served. Resign, restrain, and refrain. You can be an amazing wife and cook a meal, but don't manage his life. He lived for 30 years before he met you. He can survive without you reminding him to flush the toilet. Let him be the man so he has the space to taste you. I get asked this a lot. Nhi, how do I make an avoidant man chase me? Here's the cold truth. You can't out-black cat a black cat. Avoidance acts like they don't need anyone. If you are anxiously chasing them, you are just proving the point that everyone is trying to trap them. The secret: be bored. A secure black cat loses interest when someone is dismissive. When you stop being triggered and start focused on your own life, the dynamic shifts. You don't need to grovel if you screw up either. A black cat simply says, I'm sorry I was late, let's move on. No drama, no chasing, just self-worth. If you want to know how to make him chase you, you have to change your internal dialogue. Stop asking, does he like me? If he's talking to other girls, start asking, do I like him? When you don't acknowledge competition, it ceases to exist. If he mentions another woman, don't get insecure. Talk about the color you are painting your office. Be so self-assured that he realizes you aren't competing with anyone because you know there is no one like you. We are attracted to people who don't need our validation. That is the ultimate chase trigger. If you've been the golden retriever for too long, you need a rebrand day. Pick a date. Your birthday, a Monday, tomorrow, and decide the old you is gone. No announcement, never complain, never explain. Comment black cat below if you're ready to start your rebrand day. So stop staging and start being the bride, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, love you.